this is a cold start. All right, so now the car is hot. So then I put the jump starter on it. So then with the jump starter,